In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Attio for sales teams. We're going to focus on a simple but very practical workflow, using deals and tasks to keep your sales process organized. Before you begin, make sure your email and calendar are connected in Attio, and that you've already created your sales pipeline or deals. This setup gives your team a better view of communication, timelines, and follow-up activity, which is especially helpful when multiple people are working on the same opportunities. Once you're on the Attio homepage, go to Deals. In this example, we're using Deals, but the same general method can also work with your sales pipeline depending on how your workspace is set up. From there, select a deal you want to work on. Inside the deal, open the Tasks area. This feature is useful for tracking next actions related to a specific opportunity, such as follow-ups, internal check-ins, preparation work, or reminders. Keeping tasks attached directly to the deal helps your sales team stay aligned and makes it easier to see what still needs to be done. Now click the option to create a new task. Type in the task you need for that deal. Try to make the task clear and action-oriented so the assignee immediately understands what needs to happen. After that, assign the task to someone on your sales team. This is a great way to make ownership visible and avoid confusion about who is responsible for the next step. Next, set a due date for the task. Adding deadlines helps your team prioritize work and keeps deals moving forward instead of getting stuck. Once everything looks correct, click Save. Now let's repeat the same process on another deal to show how consistent and scalable this workflow is. Go back and select a different deal. Just like before, click on Tasks, then choose New Task. Enter the task that needs to be completed for this deal and assign it to one of your team members. In this example, the flow is the same, which is exactly what makes it efficient. Your team can use this approach across every deal in your CRM to create a reliable follow-up system. When you're done, click Save to add the task to the deal, and that's the full process. You start from your deals, open a specific record, go into Tasks, create a new task, enter the work that needs to be done, assign it to the right person, add a due date when needed, and save it so it becomes part of the deal's workflow. Using Attio this way can help sales teams stay organized, improve accountability, and make sure no important action gets missed. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.